Who's that? Have you come searching for anyone? Is this Sri? I mean, Sritama Modak's house?
Yes.
Actually, we used to study together. I was her senior for 3 years.
Oh.
My name is Indra. Sri, I mean, is Sritama home? Yes, she's at home. Please come in. Mithai, will you please call her? Come in, son. Did I cause any problem by coming without informing? Actually, her phone wasn't reachable, so a few notes of her...
Why don't you come to the study with me and wait there? Shri will come here in a while. I'm Shri's brother, Siddharth.
Oh. And you must be grandpa, right?
You don't need to do that, my son. Go make yourself comfortable. Go. Appa, Sulata, please send some food for them in the study.
Sure.
Yes.
Come in. Please, be comfortable.
Yes.
Come on, Sushma. Let's go to the prayer room.
You keep a constant watch. According to our information, there are 2 leaders of the smuggling racket of the port. One is Manik Malik and the other is his assistant Montu.
Yes, sir.
Good. Officer, do we have informers in plain clothes posted?
Yes, sir.
Good. Do not delay passing on any information to me and keep the force ready.
Yes, sir.
We have to nail them today itself by cordoning off the whole area. Anyway, be alert, everyone.
Okay, sir.
Good morning.
Very good morning, Ratul. Please come in. How are you? Suddenly you wanted to meet me so early in the day. Is everything all right?
Yes, everything is all right. But, I mean...
Tell me.
Look, I'm really sorry. I couldn't tell you everything on the call. Actually, Nipa was insisting a lot on meeting you. So...
What? What are you saying, Ratul? Please listen to me. Reason with her. Look, there she is. Nipa. Nipa, come in, please. Why are you standing? Please have a seat.
I can't stay. I have some important work. But Nipa wants to say something to you.
Ratul?
No, come with me. I can give you some advice. Please talk to her once. Or else you'll be in trouble. No, if you ask me, I'll say that you should please listen to Nipa's perspective. Everybody thought that it's a temporary phase and she will forget you. But I don't think so. This is little serious. Please give it some time. Please try and understand.
No, you don't.
Talk to her. Please talk to each other. I'm going. I have to work. I have
Ratul, this is not possible. This is my office.
Why is it not possible, Rudra? Anyone can come to talk to a police officer. Isn't it, Ratul?
Yes. Of course. Anyone can meet a police officer and talk to him, definitely. Hey, why are you so scared? Tell me. You handle notorious criminals daily. You face them every day.
Yes.
Why do you have to fear? Come on. Be brave. Be a man. Right? Yeah. Ipa, don't take much of time. He's an ACP. He has important tasks to handle. He's not like us. We have ample of time to waste. You carry on. All right? Yeah. Best of luck.
Ratul, I need to know. Ratul.
Listen, Rudra.
Yes.
I just want to know if I can sit over here for a while.
Yes, of course. You can sit. Sure, you can.
Rudra, I just want to know. I am not looking that short today.
What?
No, I mean, there has to be a balance, right?
Yes. Yes.
Actually, Rudra, I was looking too short yesterday. I was feeling so bad that I couldn't express it. But I am not looking that short today.
Actually, Nipa, I wanna say something to you. I wanna say that.
Just a minute, Rudra. Let me finish.
Yes, you go first. Carry on. Carry on.
Look, Rudra. I know that you're having a problem accepting me. You must be thinking that I am quite younger than you and this relationship isn't possible. But Rudra, no one counts age in love.
What? No. Love. What love?
I'm in love. I see. I haven't shared it with you yet.
No. Why shouldn't you share? I have already understood it though. But Nipa, my point is.
Rudra, I already told you. There are no ifs or buts in love. Yes, I know that I have to become worthy of you. That is why I have decided to become an IPS officer. Hey! What's wrong, Rudra? Mithai says that air needs to be blown on someone's head who's choking.
I'm all right.
Sir, what I'm
I
saying
am
is...
absolutely.
Sorry, sir.
No. What's there to be sorry about? She's Nipa. She's my friend's cousin. She came here to seek my help. Tell me what happened.
Sir, Manik Malik and Montu could be spotted. We need to go right now.
Great. Nipa, if you want, then you can wait here, all right? I have to go on an action. Get ready.
Okay, sir.
Who is it? Indra, is that you? How come you came to my house all of a sudden? You've never come to this house before. Indra,
Yes?
what happened? What are you staring at? Have you met everyone in my family?
Yeah, I introduced myself to him. Hey, sorry, I have to go to the office, but I'll see you again later. Bye. Bye, Shri.
Bye. Sit down. What's the matter with you? Why are you looking so shocked? You had the address of my house, didn't you? Thank Lord I'm here right now. If I was at
I
my
wanted
in-laws'
to
place...
ask, are you married, Sri? You didn't inform me.
Aunt Opa, ask Grandpa's angry grandson to have his breakfast. Or else he won't eat the whole day. I have a lot of chores. I have to go out after finishing it. I have to go to deliver sweets to the Hall 2 outlet. There's an order from a customer. After that, I have to go to Santoshpur.
Aunt, please ask Mithai to ride her world-famous bicycle carefully. She shouldn't get hurt. I know she's hurt most by what the eldest son of this house said. Though I believe there's no point in getting hurt by what he said. I don't want her to ponder those words and cause an accident because of that.
Mithai? Look at me. Look. Why do you have tears in your eyes? Don't shed even a drop of tear. Not a single drop. You shouldn't cry. Hey, Ratul? Oh my. Why are you standing here? Shri? Hey Shri, Ratul is here. Introduce him to Indra.
No, Aunt Appa. It's okay. Let them talk. I'll sit here, okay?
No.
Aunt Opa, the sweets for Indra.
Aunt?
Hmm?
I'm leaving for the office. Ratul,
Yes,
please come with me.
tell me.
Is Nipa all right? No, why shouldn't she be all right? What about Rudra? No, actually, Mithai told me that you took Nipa to meet Rudra or something like that.
I noticed that the bonding between you and Mithai has become very strong these days. I mean, you two can't hide anything from each other. Rudy hopefully is fine, and I have no doubt about the fact that Nipa is doing well.
Ratul, I really don't understand this thing called love. Seriously. Anyway, I have to go now.
Sure.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey, why did you stand up? Sit down. Please sit down. So you are Indra, right?
Yes.
I am Shree's aunt. Greetings.
Greetings.
You know what? Actually, we had to marry off Shree almost all of a sudden. So we couldn't invite anyone. Besides the pandemic and all, I hope you understand. So we couldn't inform everyone. But you must eat these sweets today, please. Later, you and the rest of Shree's friends should come to our place. You all deserve a treat, okay? Please eat the sweets. Oof. Shree? Hey, Shree. Why are you sitting here with your face buried in that copy? Ask Indra to eat the sweets. And Ratul is also here. Introduce him to Indra. Oh, you know what, Indra? We have weird people living in a house. I'm really fed up with them. God knows how their minds work.
Wow, Indra.
Yes.
How did you solve such a critical problem in such simple steps? I was just not able to solve it. I was thinking of calling you, but you see, you are here. Thanks a lot for the
I
notes.
wanted to ask, what does he do?
Who?
Your husband.
Oh, Ratul. He's into computer science. He has applied for PhD and now he has joined a college as a lecturer. Ratul, can you come here once, please? Ratul, he's Indra, brilliant student. He's a senior to us, but he has helped me a lot. I just can't tell you how brilliant he is. The sum that a person would take 2 to 3 hours to solve, Indra can solve it in just 10 minutes.
Wow, that's lovely.
Mm.
Hi,
Uh, uh,
Ratul.
hello.
You guys are discussing maths. Good. Please continue. I'll be around. Enjoy yourself.
Oh my lord, Sri. Your husband is quite tall. Sorry. Uh, I hope I hope you don't mind, Sri.
Really, Indra? Do you really notice a person's height? I thought you couldn't see anything other than the numbers in maths. Anyway, listen. I'm glad that you could come here. I'm not able to solve a few calculations. Come, I'll show you.
Hey, brother Ratul.
Tell me.
I'm noticing that Sister Shree's friend is staring at Shree with a sad expression on his face. But why? Did he not like the fact that Sister Shree got married?